What do you think about your first boat trip? Yeah, it is. Well, they went on the one at Squam. Not quite the same as the big.
It's a glorified lake.
Yeah. Well, it is a lake. Excuse me.
Maybe the arm of
Oddly.
the ocean, but it's still,
Hollywood, if Holly could.
maybe the arm of
See?
the ocean, but it's still.
Is this super fun? Do you love the boat?
Super fun.
Awesome. When we go to Florida, do you want to go back on the boat there? Do what?
Watch out for that boat.
Watch out for that boat. Bigger boats have the right of way, right?
Not necessarily.
It's a smaller boat.
This is a smaller boat with big kids in it. Woo!
Pontoon thingies on the side.
Cool.
Are you video?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna bump some waves. We're gonna jump some waves. You ready? Are you ready for wave jumping? Here we go. Woo! Rock and roll. I guess there are big waves in the back. So fun. All right. They weren't as exciting as I thought they'd be. All right. Ready to fish? Ready to fish?
Uh-huh.
What kind of fish are you going to catch?
A redfish.
Right on.